Now, the US government has poured millions upon millions of dollars into a project to get a better understanding of the human brain. Leading the project is a Korean-American professor at MIT, and he believes he has the key to finding out what causes mental illnesses. Our Kim Min-ji reports.
A connectome is an extensive map of neural connections in the brain. Sebastian Seung, a professor of Computational Neuroscience at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, introduced the term through a TED conference in 2010, and his book Connectome, How the Brain's Wiring System Makes Us Who We Are, has since become a bestseller in the US.
So this worm has only 300 neurons and 7,000 connections. Your connectome you also have a connectome, and it's 100 billion neurons and 10,000 connections per neuron.
In a recent talk with Korean brain scientist, Sebastian Seung stressed that connectomes were the key to uncovering the causes of various mental illnesses, such as dementia and autism. He berated the modern science community for focusing their research on brain regions rather than on connectomes,
which enable us to look inside the living human brain and help us figure out what each region of the brain does. But intellectually, that way of understanding the brain is still the same as it was in the 19th century.
Professor Seung has an ambitious goal of mapping the neural connections of the human brain.
If computers get faster and faster, the same way that they've been getting for the last 50 years, we should be able to map an entire human connectome, I hope, in my lifetime.
If it is as predicted by Professor Seung, the mysteries of the brain would also likely be solved sooner rather than later. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.